Looking for a better way to work on your site? Introducing emanagerSite. It's the perfect tool for streamlining the process of managing and updating and maintaining the website. It's also for subsites, for example, the fire department, the police, and others such as Park and Rec. And the best part is you can update all these pages yourself. So let's show you what it does. Let's start off with our biggest feature. All the tools are wrapped in one package. No one has anything like this. And we have many unique features for municipalities and governments. And it's a long list of features, so let's take a look at some of these one by one. For example, let's take website editing. Promote community events, communicate information efficiently and effectively. It's easy, and again, anyone can do it. Add intranet and extranet sites for managing employees. And our tool comes with a number of pre-made forms, including contact forms. Easily upload images and PDFs, and simply replace PDFs, keeping the information current. And easily take payments online, for example, for licenses. Keep your citizens up to date. And all emails are unlimited. Schedule town events with the calendar plugin. And interact with residents by building your own custom forms. Social media. Interact by blogging. And now, business intelligence, built right into our system. Everything you need to know about website traffic and hits all in one place. And because of all these features, your website has become a powerful tool, allowing departments flexibility to maintain their own sections, and the townspeople are up to date. emanagerSite, it just works. Contact us today and we'll show you why things just got better.
Let's do a basic overview of our tool. So when you first come in, this is exactly what everything looks like. And up over here you have your common tools. These are the general tools you use 90% of the time, including headlines. These are similar to Microsoft Word headings, and bullets. And these are the basic tools you'd use to edit your pages, including hyperlinking to other pages, adding images or photos. Something that's important is undo if you make a mistake, or redo if you want to go back to where you were. In addition, we have text formatting. Now these are less common tools and a little more advanced. For example, you can add up to 500 different fonts. You can change the size of your text. And here's some advanced things like indent, outdent, unlinking, or removing formatting. We'll talk more about these in the advanced training. And let's close that up. We have tables, and these are the basic table tools you need to make a table and edit a table. Advanced tools is for another video, but there's some advanced things here, including looking at the source code. Up here we have elements. This is a coming soon feature where you'll be able to add special HTML elements to your website. Let's take a look on the left side. As we mentioned before, these are your assets. And if you click on this little arrow, it opens up all your web pages. So you'll have folders possibly on your website where PDFs are, or photos, CSS, or images. These are the things that are on a typical website. And if you want to upload to any of these categories, you could use this button down here, and you can simply upload files, or over here, you could make new folders. So this is pretty much the overview. Let me just double click on a page to open up a page. And if you want to see your page online, you could click this arrow right here, just by double clicking that, and it opened a new tab. Let me show you that. And here's the page online. You might notice the page looks a little different. That's because this is a responsive mobile site, so it changes according to the sizing of the actual web page, and that's typical of many websites today. So that's really the overview of our tool and how easy it is to use. Let's next take a look at our e-commerce. And notice the little words pop up. You double click on that and it is now loading up the store, and here we go. We are now into the store for this company. Here's their categories. Let's open this up, and they have hundreds and hundreds of products. I'm just going to open up one at random and just double click, and there's the product. And if you look at the website, here's how that's reflected. Here's the image you just saw, here's the several products they have, and here's the information up there. Let's click on this product number, and here's a product page with the information we were just looking at. Very nice. The next feature we want to take a quick look at is forms. Here's some forms that perhaps were already made. This is for their submissions, their reports. You can drag in your address, for example. You can drag in the names. You just simply drag these tools in, and you begin to build an email. And each one of these boxes is custom. You can customize it by just clicking on the field, and of course you see things changing over here. You can easily make forms. Another very popular tool is our email tool, and here it is right here. You click on this, and it gives you the ability to send out emails. Here's an example of what they look like when it went out. Let me stretch this out so you can see it in the window. And you just simply could fill this in, and that's it. You could send the email out. So you can pre-make these templates. You can also choose who they're going to. You can have several lists. There's just one test list here, but you could have many, many, many lists with different names in it depending on who you want to email to. It could be everyone in the town, or it could be select groups. Create a new campaign, and at that point you would give the campaign a name, a subject line, and you would choose one of the templates that you made, and you would choose the list that you want to send to, and that's it. You would then just hit create, and off the email goes. Let's take a look at our calendar function. That's the fifth one down. And we double click on that, and the calendar opens. And here's one calendar. It's called the events calendar, and there's actually an event in it. You can simply add an event just by double clicking anywheres. I'm just going to go ahead and hit save, and this you can even slide it around. You can change the time of it. That's easy enough. Here's an event that was already made. Let's double click on that, and this one has a location added to it. So let's see what effect that has. So here's the calendar. You click new events, and here is the event. You can put in details. You could add links or links to PDFs, and because I had the address in there, we see that the address comes up here. Very nice. This is a very cool and popular feature. Towns can make good use of this.